Artificial intelligence isn't magic, and it isn't a machine that suddenly becomes human. In Artificial Intelligence for Dummies, Jean-Paul Mueller and Luca Massaron explained that AI is a collection of technologies designed to imitate specific aspects of human intelligence. Today's AI excels at narrow, specialized tasks, but it does not possess human understanding, consciousness, or general intelligence. The authors emphasize that machine learning is one of the most important branches of AI. Instead of programmers writing every rule, computers learn patterns from data. The quality of that data matters enormously. Better data usually leads to better results, while poor or biased data produces poor outcomes. The book also explains that AI already works behind the scenes in everyday life. Recommendation systems, voice assistants, navigation apps, fraud detection, medical research, and online shopping all rely on AI to recognize patterns and assist human decision-making. But the authors repeatedly caution against unrealistic expectations. AI has limitations. It depends on data, can make mistakes, inherits biases from training data, and still requires human oversight. Understanding both its strengths and weaknesses is essential to using AI responsibly. The central message of the book is that AI is best understood as a practical tool, not as science fiction. By learning what AI really is, how it works, where it succeeds, and where it falls short, readers can make informed decisions in a world where artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly important.